Biocon was founded in 1978 by Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw in Bangalore, starting in the enzyme production business. Initially, it was a joint venture with Biocon Ireland. Biocon India grew by adopting the philosophy of earn as you learn. It leveraged its fermentation expertise to move into generic drug manufacturing. In 1997, Biocon entered the generic statins market, establishing a foothold in healthcare. Statins like lovastatin built Biocon's global reputation. Clinigene, established in 1994, was India's first contract research organisation. Clinigene provided services to global pharmaceutical companies. The Indian pharmaceutical industry grew due to regulations like the Indian Patent Act of 1970 and the Drug Price Control Order. These allowed firms to reverse engineer drugs and control prices. By 2001, India had over 20,000 pharmaceutical companies. Global firms outsourced research and manufacturing to India. In 2000, Biocon launched Clinigene to enter the clinical trials market. Clinical trials were the most expensive part of drug development, representing nearly 60% of total costs. Clinigene focused on clinical lab services and bioequivalence studies for generic drugs. They also aimed to handle higher-value trials for new drug development. Challenges arose as Biocon lacked experience in clinical trials, raising concerns about resource consumption. Biocon prided itself on an open and collaborative culture. Employees, regardless of their position, were encouraged to communicate across teams. This culture fostered innovation and success. As Biocon expanded, concerns arose about new employees. They might dilute this collaborative culture. This was an exciting period with a lot of opportunities for CROs in India. By 2010, India was expected to grow its share of the global CRO market from 0.7% to 20%. Foreign CROs and big pharmaceutical companies were establishing data management centers in India, creating competition. Clinigene needed to carefully position itself within this competitive market. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw faced a dilemma. Should Clinigene pursue clinical trials aggressively, risking resources and culture? If Biocon didn't capitalize on Clinigene, it might stay in the low-margin generic drug market. Rapid growth of Clinigene could destabilize Biocon and distract from other business areas. So what are your thoughts? Should Biocon push Clinigene to aggressively pursue contracts and grow? Or should Biocon limit Clinigene's scope until its other businesses are ready? Let's discuss some advantages and disadvantages of starting a pharmaceutical firm in India. Advantages: lower labor costs, skilled workforce, favorable government policies, access to a diverse genetic population for clinical trials. Disadvantages: intense competition, ethical concerns, evolving regulations. Is the Indian CRO market attractive? Yes, due to global outsourcing trends and sector growth. However, it is highly competitive. What is the best way for Biocon India Group to expand? A balanced approach, ensuring controlled growth while preserving Biocon's culture. Acquisitions or partnerships might provide additional expertise. As we've seen, Biocon's journey from enzyme manufacturing to becoming a global biotech leader is a testament to bold vision, strategic risk-taking, and the ability to adapt. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw's leadership not only transformed Biocon, but also set the stage for India's rise in the global pharmaceutical industry. The choices made with Clinigene illustrate the fine balance between seizing opportunity and maintaining company culture. As Biocon continues to innovate, it serves as a reminder that with the right mix of ambition, strategy, and resilience, even the biggest risks can lead to groundbreaking success. Thanks for watching, and if you're inspired by this incredible story of innovation and leadership, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.